What's up guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This video is a comparison on this Milwaukee Fuel M18 Surge. I just got it last night. Gonna be doing a comparison with this, a 1-key first gen impact, the M12 impact that I have. I'm gonna compare it to, this is the DCF 845 of Dewalt and Dewalt's Atomic DCF 850. Pretty much the comparison is gonna be for sound. We're gonna be doing 2.5-inch screws into this, and this is the Fuel Surge. Pretty quiet. This is just a regular impact. It's a lot louder. This is going to be the same decibel level as the other one. Again, with the Dewalt. One more with the other Dewalt. This one is actually the closest to this Surge, and then we're gonna do one more with the Surge and see if you could tell on the video. So this is the Milwaukee Fuel Surge M18. Got this so that I could work quieter. Actually, that's a lie. I got it because our water damage van is all Milwaukee tools. Usually I'm a Dewalt guy, but leaning into Milwaukee stuff since I have no more Dewalt stuff to get. But that's it. That's the Fuel Surge. Compared to the other Milwaukee impacts, it's a lot better. So I think.